Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand new, well new to me anyway, traveler's notebook called the Journey Book. Now if you saw the video I did before this one, I actually hauled this in a video from Hobby Lobby, and so I thought it would be cool for me to share the unboxing so we can kind of take a look at this together, because I had never heard of this brand before, so I'm not sure as far as, what the quality is like and how, it looks on the inside. So let's go ahead and open this up and see. Now this is a purple glitter traveler's notebook. Obviously it's not leather. I'm guessing it's some type of a faux leather or something. It's made by a company called Paper House, and again it's called the Journey Book. And you get the traveler's notebook, 2 inserts, and these really cute little tabs there. And I will put all the company information down below in case you are interested. But again, it's called Paper House. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I did cut off, oops, the plastic, so we can see. Oh wow, this is really nice from what I can tell so far. Now it feels like it's stuck in here on something and I don't know what. Oh, just glue. Okay, so first off, this is the traveler's notebook. It feels like a it does feel like a faux leather, but it also feels like it's kind of like a vinyl. It's really, really pretty. It's got some of that sticky glue on it there, which I'll have to figure out a way to get off. But, and it's also got a, I don't know what these are called. I want to say pen loop, but not really. But anyway, so it's very, very stiff. So obviously you're going to have to work this a little bit when you first open it. But it's got 2 full-length pockets here, and then you've got 4 elastics here. It has like a weird plasticky smell, so it's probably just something to be aware of. I'm looking at, if you can see how, oh, so you only get 3 elastics because the middle one goes through here. Okay, okay. So I guess the pen or the closure elastic goes through the middle hole here. So you really only have 1, 2, and 3 elastics to actually put a notebook on. Okay. Excuse me, right off the bat. The quality's not that great, but it's not horrendously terrible. Like I said, it feels really, really stiff, so it's something that you're definitely going to have to work with. But it's not bad. Like if you wanted to throw this in your book bag or something, at least you wouldn't have to worry about it getting damaged or messed up. And this is a standard size traveler's notebook. I don't know if I said that, but there you go. And this is the thickness here. So this actually would be a really good starter notebook, maybe for like a child or something, or like I said, if you need something to take with you that you don't want to mess up. I can definitely see this working for that. Alright, so let's get into the other stuff. Now it comes with tabs, and this was the main thing that I wanted when I saw this box. Let me see if I can show you that. Look at how cute these tabs are. Now these tabs are also made with like a faux leather or maybe some type of a material. So they're not paper. They're actual like faux leather, I guess would be the only way to describe it. So you have all 12 months. Then you have some cute little icons here. And then on this side you have notes, to do, and goals. So that's really, really cute. And you can see they're just sticky. Okay, I wish they sold these separately. I don't know, maybe they do. You know, I'll go on the website and check because I would love to just have these tabs. Then you get 2 inserts, which are also stuck, and I'm hoping I'm not going to ruin the notebook by pulling it out. Which is kind of unfortunate. Like, really? Okay, I'm going to show you guys this. See how it's stuck? So, like, why would you even package it like that? It's like you ruin the inserts, or I don't know, maybe not, but okay. And then you have a little Scotch tape here. Hopefully that won't ruin it. I really like this unicorn insert. It's really pretty. Okay, so the first one obviously is a standard size unicorn insert. You have dot grid paper. And actually this paper feels pretty nice. I mean, it feels a little bit thicker than copy paper. And it's kind of an off-white color. I don't know if the camera is picking that up. A stitched insert, very nice. And this is what the back looks like. So I'm wondering if they sell these inserts separately, because I would definitely buy inserts from them. And then, oops, you have this other one here that has some kind of a, looks like a fleur-de-lis pattern. And then this one is also dot grid, off-white paper. Very smooth, and like I said, it just feels like a tad bit thicker than copy paper, you know, or regular printer paper. And there's that. So I think for $8, you guys, this is totally worth it. But I don't know what the full price is because it didn't say. Let's see. No, it doesn't tell me what the full price is. It just says reduced to $8.74. So honestly, you guys, for the quality of this, I wouldn't recommend paying more than $10 because, I mean, you know, it is cheap, but you know, we like to get stuff that doesn't feel or look cheap. And this, while it doesn't necessarily look cheap, it feels cheap. You know, the inserts are pretty decent quality, you know. I think those would be worth buying on their own. And then these tabs, I think, are worth buying on their own as well. So if you find this, you know, don't pay full price. Hopefully you can find it on sale at Hobby Lobby like I did, because like I said, I mean, it's not horrible. I just don't think it would be worth paying full price for. And I hope that doesn't sound bad, but that's just me being honest. All right, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Journey book by Paper House. Again, I will link their information down below. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments. And if you'd like to see other content that I share, please make sure you visit my blog. I link that down below as well. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.